When you need detailed information about the condition of your tools, the VT122 measuring camera and the AI-supported tool measuring capabilities of version 1.6 of the Visual Tool Check software provide this data clearly, quickly, and reliably. My name is Sebastian Noichl, and I'm the HEIDENHAIN product manager for touch probes and vision systems. I'd like to show you how the AI-supported flank wear measurement helps you to fully automate your manual processes, increase process reliability, ensure high surface quality, and optimally utilize your tool service life. Many tools with predefined service lives are removed from the tool magazine too early. On the other hand, you don't always know if perhaps the flutes aren't already worn too much from the last operation, despite the tool having a theoretically remaining service life. The AI-supported wear measurement of Visual Tool Check eliminates precisely this uncertainty and also enables automated process documentation that is fully integrated into your operations. The VTC cycles make it very easy for you to direct the wear measurement process. The NC control slowly rotates the tool directly in front of the camera. The result is a panoramic image of the tool that includes all of its flutes. Version 1.6 of the Visual Tool Check software then automatically determines the flank wear. The AI-supported results are shown clearly and concisely. Each flute is analyzed individually, with both the maximum and average values shown and automatically stored. Increase your process reliability and reduce your production costs by taking maximum advantage of your tools. With Visual Tool Check, you can use artificial intelligence to measure and evaluate the amount of wear. You can define individual warning values and tool disabling values. Of course, you can also visualize how your tools become worn over time and export this information to CSV files for further analysis. VT122 and Visual Tool Check from HEIDENHAIN, the primary solution for automated tool wear measurement on machine tools, assists you with process documentation, makes tool management easier, and increases process reliability.